안녕하세요. 서울 여기서 2년 동안 영어 선생님 있었어요. 한국 정말 좋아해요. I'm back in my old stomping grounds where I had my first job out of college, where I first fell in love with Asia, and where I started my first travel blog, which led me to where I am today.
I love South Korea. Everything about it. The sights, the smells, the tastes, the feels. This country made me who I am today. And while I can tell you 1,000 amazing things about Seoul, I want to focus today on the electric culture that is buzzing 24/7. More than any other place I've been, Seoul is the city that never sleeps. Right now we're in Myeongdong, Seoul's crazy shopping district. As soon as the sun goes down, whether it's Sunday or Friday, the neon signs light up the neighborhoods. Street vendors open up their shops. Soju bottles pop open. And nightclubs rage until the early morning. It's hard to comprehend how fast Seoul is moving, and it doesn't stop for anyone. If you stop your feet in the middle of a busy crosswalk, people will zoom past you without even looking up at their phones, as if you're not even there. But the best way to get around the city of 27 million people is by jumping on the underground metro.
Let's do it!
Which is the most extensive subway system on Earth, with 291 stations covering 287 kilometers. Seoul is without debate the world's most connected city, meaning it has the fastest internet speeds and a phone connectivity of something like 6G. 92.4% of South Koreans are internet users. Large TV screens and futuristic technologies powered by Samsung and LG can be seen every few steps.
South Korea's capital is really a special place, and I'm excited to take you deeper inside over the coming 5 days. I'm Drewbinsky, and if you like my travel videos, please click subscribe and join me as I plan to visit every country in the world.